Hey, you all know me. I'm Aaron, a powerlifter that represents India. I'll be traveling all the way to Japan for Asian Powerlifting Championships, but not alone. Here's Simran. Yeah, she also delivers 160 kilos. Here's Rahul. He's the boss man of Savor and Sacrifice. And here's Daniel, who's apparently too cute to do anything evil. I'll be taking you all along this whole journey through the ups and downs, so let's go.
Hi, Aaron's channel. So the trip has finally begun. We flew from Bangalore to Bangkok. We are in Bangkok now, and we're going to just check out the airport before boarding our second flight, Bangkok to Japan. This is Zesty Rahul, this is Mighty Danny, and this is Strong Simran. Alright, so we're going to check out Bangkok airport, and then we're going to board. We just found, what is this machine?
Kiosk.
Wait, show them the options, So
the options are,
look at what all they have in this machine.
we have coffee, different types of coffee, tea, milk, caramel, cocoa. Healthy options, we're having matcha. Because I'm...
Show them the other options, you show them the shitty options. Bro. I'm gonna take it. Pull the cup straight out. Whoa. Damn. Matcha. Matcha. Why you look so sad, dude?
No, we're not sad, we're just embracing the moment.
Damn, it's so easy to vlog when you're friends, dude.
Yeah, for real, bro. Honestly, anything you
We know. Huh? One day.
Oh, that's way better, bro. Hey, Dib's window.
It's gone. In the flight now, we got this famous, what is this?
It's the purple gaming. Where did you connect?
So we got, what's it? Daddy, tell them what this is.
It's like a purple,
I don't know what it is. It has a lot of
I
like
can't-
seeds and branches in it, and it just smells very good.
Okay. So you say it's good
Herpes.
for allergies and all that. I already have my allergies. Let's try it out.
Yeah,
Yes?
it's
Try it. Look at it.
Sasta nasha.
Oh yeah, dude.
Isn't that refreshing?
Sasta nasha.
Oh.
It's so
Oh
good, no?
shit, dude.
It's like
It's opens up with it.
Actually, I like
Yes,
recording
try.
on this.
So no, put it deep and take a deep breath.
It's
Nice.
like ammonia.
It's not ammonia.
I know.
it gets
Try.
strong.
That's not matcha. Thanks, Danny.
Try.
For all your...
Bro,
Let's see Danny's reaction.
a long deep breath. It's like,
Let's try, Rahul. Nice.
it's like, I'm not giving it back.
Shut up. Okay. Zoe was sleeping and our food came, so I'm just going to show you our food real quick. Danny got, what did you get?
Egg and sausage.
So this is egg, sausage, what is that?
Potato.
Potato.
Chara.
This is apple juice, croissant, fruits,
Beer.
low fat yogurt. Okay, beer. Okay.
Salmon.
What did you get? So this is sticky rice, fruits.
Reach out my hand, oh me say you, oh me tell you to run.
In Japan.
In Japan. Yeah.
Who's this chick?
Well, pick me up,
Oh, they got
She's my ex.
golden hand, oh me say you, oh me tell you to run.
Okay, so we all landed.
We all landed.
Bro, from not getting a visa thing done because we went late,
Yeah.
to actually being in Japan. The first purchase we made, what did Rahul, what did you buy?
I got some coffee because I need some caffeine, right? And I got a protein bar.
Okay, we're going to taste all this. And what did we buy? What is
I
that?
have salmon roll
And?
and egg, ham and cheese
So
sandwich.
this looks so good.
My salmon roll
Ham,
looks better.
egg and cheese. So we're going to taste this now. How's it?
I got his face. You don't have to do this. You just do this. Nothing mad, bro.
Let me try the bar. Oh, like a just wafer biscuit. What's that? You have coffee?
Give me the answer. But why are they excited to see their own people?
This is the coffee.
Like
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, you like. You like matcha, you like this shit.
You're a powerlifter, bro. No? You think that way?
But look at this. Look at it, bro.
It gives some sort of ham and cheese taste, right?
You want to da?
You have ham.
Oh, you taste.
I want to record.
We're recording.
No, on my phone.
How's it?
Let it start. How do you this name?
Bro, this is our first train. This is our first train. Finally exiting the station. So we just exited the station and now we're walking, it's a 3-minute walk with all this luggage to our hotel room. We're waiting for the green light. You know what, Indians come here and they start following rules, right?
Huh?
Indians come here and then they start following rules suddenly.
We always follow rules.
Ah!
Here, there are no rules. You make your own rules, Niti.
Reach out my hand. Oh, me say, oh, me tell you right.
This is a police station. Police.
The police station. I mean, it's not the police station. Congratulations, Aray. I got your picture.
There's a powerlifter on the loose. There's a powerlifter on the loose.
Okay, so we reached the hotel. This is our Airbnb here. Kind of excited, but I think we have to carry our bags to the 3rd floor, bro.
All the gym is going to pay.
All these bags we had to carry. So this is Namba base 33.
Alex first form of business.
We had to carry this all the way up.
Bad fucking thing.
Okay, so they gave a full manual. They said, pull this shit. 0 to 95.
My ears are like opening now, bro. Alan, your fingers are so fucking big, bro. I'll do it if you want.
Bro, they do it. So hot.
Can I help you, sir?
No. 9 2 0 to 95. Okay. Recording.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, you got the keys.
Okay, I need to pee, bro, please. Whoa!
The They give us slides and all that crazy, bro. Okay. Convenient, dude.
Not bad, dude. Come room tour. So this is the sofa. There's a TV here. This is our room. Oh shit, bro, this carpet is sexy. This is storage. Bro, I can sleep in this shit, bro. What?
Wait, go help her. You're a cycle rider, you know.
Okay, kitchen. So it's a pretty small place, this first place. But the bathtub, there's a bathtub here. The bathtub, it has heater and there's a nice view too.
There's a vacuum here.
There's a vacuum.
What a cute sink.
Bro, show me the washroom.
Oh, that's so cute.
Show me the washroom.
Can you fucking wait, bro?
What is happening?
I'm trying to see how the bidet works.
So we're going to Oni Gym. It's a whole powerlifting gym. It's already around 8 p.m. in the night. We are in Osaka, but we have to eat something. So we come to, what's this place called? What's this place called? Family Mart. Something like 7-Eleven. And there's so many good options here. Let me show you. This is what we are taking. But look at the options here. It's crazy the amount of food that's there here. So let's see what we're going to eat.
Bro, I'm hungry as shit, dude. This is the drink, bro. That's gonna fuck you up. This is the drink that's gonna fuck us up.
Why?
I've seen so many videos on this.
What does it say?
It's gonna fuck you up.
What does it do?
Alcohol. In cross, bro. So quiet. No one's cycling. No one's making noise. There's no horns. Everyone's following rules. It's a very cultural shock, right?
Bro, one of my competitors is Japanese.
Competitors. His competitors. Not his competitors. No, no. His competitors. I was too bright for a minute. No, we're back.
Walk fast. Bro, after so long, we finally came to the gym. I don't know if you can see it. My training session. We got our pass and all through the QR code. It is around 2,000 rupees for one training session. There's no staff in the gym right now, so we had a lot of figuring out to do. So I'm going to take you to the gym. This is when you enter the gym. This is a sign here. And there's a vending machine, really cool vending machine right here. And the whole gym, niche hai, right? So we'll go all the way down.
That I've already butchered.
Yeah, so we'll go all the way down. So let's go. Alright, so when you reach here, there's a board that says you should not be using chalk and all. And I clearly did not listen. Alright, now. Alright. So this is where you enter, you keep your shoes here. This is the ladies' changing room. That's a men's changing room. You come in here. This is one direction to go that way. I'm going to take you guys there. Those two are just chilling. So these are the machines here. Before the machines, I'm going to take you to the powerlifting section. Alright, so welcome. This is the whole powerlifting section. One deadlift platform. 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 deadlift platforms here, but such mein bolu, I'm not such a fan of these deadlift platforms. I think in India we have better deadlift platforms because these are so small. These are literally half of an actual deadlift platform. These 4, and this is the only good one. Anyways, I have a deadlift session tomorrow, kind of a heavy one. It's a secondary day. Dekhenge kitna karenge. Now this side. So this is where things get a little cooler, right? This side is only the bench racks. And I'm going to explain to you what these bench racks mean. This is the Bull Rock. This is a Japanese brand, an international brand. This rack is an helico rack. Alright, what is special about this? Alright, so what is special about this rack is this is the new rack, but this is the latest pad. It's the Sky Pad. It's called the Sky Pad. If anyone can buy me this, I'll do anything for you. Alright, this is the old helico pad. Alright, so this is, I've shown you 3 racks right now. Alright, I've shown you 3 racks now. Now I'm going to show you 5 other bench racks. So that's 1, and then there's 2. Alright, here there's 2, there's 3, 4 and 5. Why I'm showing these 5 bench racks? These all are only bench racks. The gym's brand, these plates. And why I'm showing these to you is because this is what they're going to use in competition. And honestly, I'm happy that I'm getting time sessions to like get adapted to it, because there are a few changes. Like what I see, the pad is good, but what I see with the J cup, the bar is very sticky on it, so it doesn't move around. So you need to adapt to it. Your skin here gets toned. All right, bar very sharp, but solid 5 bench racks. Now I'll take you to this side of the gym. So here it's only the squat rack. So benching is as squatting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's just 6 squat racks, and they have a lot of these calibrated plates everywhere. Now that's kind of the main part of the gym. If I have to show you the machines, they have few cages, Smith machine. I really don't give 2 shits about all the machines. I'm very honest. I think these are the back exercises. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite good. They have a lot of stuff, right? I'll show you this section once. And honestly, dude, it's around 1 a.m. right now, and we've almost done 20 hours of travel. Big muscle, pre-carnage, and I had to do nitrox. If I'm not having, my eyes were shutting, but now I'm feeling good. Like I can train for like 4-5 hours. I don't have a 4-5 hour session, but if this was not there, I would be screwed right now. So I'm just hoping my top set goes well. Alright, this I'm assuming is a weightlifting section. Alright, this is a weightlifting section. This mat is a little softer than the rubber mats out there. And then there are more machines here. Alright, so I think these are the leg machines. 1, 2, 3. This is the cables. And either, come here. So this is the cool part. They have dumbbells here. Okay, I'm going to show you. I want to show you what numbers they have. It's really crazy. You also come. Alright, you can tell by the size only, right? Okay. So, and the good thing, the big dumbbells, they have trays, so you can just pull out.
Oh, okay.
Alright, you can just pull out. So from here they have
16.
15, and it goes all the way to 32.5, right? And then either they have 55, I can see 57, 60, I can see 67, 70. Alright? And down I just think it's 45, 47. But look here, come here. They have a 100 kg dumbbell. It's literally a 100 kg dumbbell.
I'll pull it out.
Oh bro,
Oh my God.
Can you pull it out?
Yes, I did.
Dude, what is that? My ass, anyone's gonna use that shit. They have 80, 90, 100. So all those influencers that think it's really cool to lift heavy dumbbells, you all should come here. Only gym, sorry. But it's really hard, it will be so hard to lift this dumbbell, because I've seen 100 kilo dumbbells, but they're metal, so they're more compact. This is like you're lifting a bloody human. Not humans also, yeah, which human? Alright, and then I'll show you the washroom. 1 second. So this is the washroom. This ladies, men. It's nothing too fancy, it's just very clean according to me. Let me just reduce the ISO. It's just very white. And they have the Bedie system, so this will spray your ass. Alright, so you'll feel really good when washing your asshole. Alright. Anyways, let's go and get our top set done, and then we'll see what to do, because we need to finish this session fast. Go We'll try to go. I'll take to 7, 11, one more time, and I need to eat something and sleep fast because I know this is a Japan trip, but we're still in Asians prep, right? Let's go. Not bad, huh? Feeling better now.